Hello my friends, welcome to Knowledge Hub. This is Abhishek Chaudhary and you can see the project workflow. In this project we are using the Arduino UNO, which will be used to execute the code, and 16:2 LCD display for showing the output and using data cable. Here you can see the code of this project. You can take a screenshot of this code. In this code we are using the liquid crystal library. After writing this code, you can go to the toolbox and go to the board and select Arduino AVR and select Arduino UNO. And again go to the toolbox and go to the port and select COM8 Arduino UNO and then verify the code. And then you can upload the code. Code is uploaded and here you can see the output of this code. We are simply print the hello world and timer in second. Here you can see the circuit diagram of this code. Of this project. You can get a connection in the circuit diagram. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming this kind of video.